Godzilla Millennium, get the hell out of here. Oh my god. Sorry about that, guys. Godzilla Millennium just being a rapist again. Wow. Sorry about that. Anyways. Yeah. Freaking Godzilla Millennium. He's such a rapist. Let's get on to the review. Today we will be reviewing the Bandai Creation Final Wars Anguirus. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, this is a pretty long figure. I love how they did the back spikes, nicely rowed. Overall detail, they did pretty good, especially on the tail. The tail detail that they did on this guy is amazing. And of course they had the spikes on the tail. And the stomach. I wouldn't say they did a very good job on detail, but they still did a pretty good job on detail for an Anguirus figure. Alright. Now, personally, I like this color of Anguirus. I don't know if this would be movie accurate to Godzilla Final Wars Anguirus. Like, I'm not really sure. But if anyone knows, please tell me in the comments. I don't know if the paint job on this figure is accurate to the movie. However, I don't really care because, to me, this paint job done on this figure looks very nice, with the light yellow back, with a light gray color. So yeah. Oh, and also, this is kind of funny. They made Anguirus look as if he just popped out of the Disney Channel. Like, what's really funny? Well, I wouldn't say funny. I'd say he looks more funky than funny. Anyways, that's pretty nice. Especially the eyes. The eyes remind me of Disney Channel characters. Anyways, let's get into articulation. The head can rotate 360 degrees. Alright. The legs can go back. The front legs can go back and forth. And finally, the back legs can go 360 degrees. Sadly, he does not have tail articulation. It would have been pretty damn cool if this Anguirus had a tail articulation, for it has a very nice long tail. Okay, so now let's get into a size comparison. Hold on. Gotta make him stand up straight for this part. Alright, let's compare him to the monster he fought in Godzilla Final Wars. The king of the monster himself, Godzilla. This is the Bandai Japan version of Godzilla Final Wars, the 6-inch. No, personally, I don't think this looks right to me. I mean, it just looks like Anguirus would run over Godzilla. Yeah. Anguirus is way too big, in scale with the Bandai Japan Godzilla Final Wars. However, I'd say he does go pretty well with the Bandai Creation 6-inch Godzilla Final Wars. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. However, Anguirus still looks a little big, even next to the Bandai Creation Godzilla Final Wars. Yeah. But they do go good in height, though. And also, I see that Anguirus is way longer than Godzilla. So yeah, they kind of overdone the size of Anguirus, but that's okay. This doesn't look that bad. Alright. Personally, I think this is a great figure. I don't know why. I just have a really warm heart for this figure. I don't know how to describe it. It's just, I don't know. I have a really good liking to this figure. So yeah, I'd say if you're looking for an Anguirus figure, definitely pick him up. Even if you do have the Japanese version, maybe you can get you can also get the Bandai Creation version for the better back legs. And yeah, I give this guy a 4 out of 5, like other Bandai Creation figures. However, a pretty good 4 out of 5. So yeah, thanks for watching my review. This was Godzilla Rocks 73, and I'll see you later. Oh my god, Millennium, stop it.